All right, welcome to section 6, pivot charts. Now I want to give you a quick intro and set some expectations before we dive in. Basically, pivot charts operate exactly like normal charts in Excel. You've got your same chart types, same formatting options, same tools. The only difference is that pivot charts are dynamically tied or linked to a specific pivot table. And what that means is that you can't edit either the table or the chart independently, since the two are essentially joined at the hip. Any adjustments that you make to filters or fields in your pivot will also be reflected in your chart, and vice versa. Now, one important caveat is that this section will be pretty brief, and we won't dive very deep into all of the chart-specific functionality. To be honest, we could spend hours diving into data viz specifically, and I want to make sure that this course stays focused on pivot tables first and foremost. That said, if you are interested in diving deeper into advanced charts and graphs, you can check out my Excel Data Viz course, which covers every single chart type in Excel 2016, along with some pretty cool advanced demos. So, quick intro to pivot chart options. Once you insert a chart, you'll see 3 custom tabs nested under the pivot chart tools category: the Analyze tab, the Design tab, and the Format tab. Now, the Analyze tab has a lot of options that should look familiar, much of the same options that apply to your pivot table. You can insert slicers and timelines from this menu. You can refresh or update your data source. You can clear or remove your chart, add calculations, and show or hide the field list or any field buttons. The Design and Format tabs are all about the look and feel of your pivot chart. So the Design tab allows you to customize specific chart elements like axis titles, labels, trend lines, etc. It includes quick layout templates, color palettes, chart styles, which we'll dive into, and then options for transposing your data, changing your chart type, or moving your chart. And then finally, the Format tab really just offers some additional formatting options that, in my opinion, are lesser used. This allows you to change things like the font style or the shape outline of your chart as a whole, or text fill, text effects, things like that. You can also align the chart with other objects in the worksheet or customize the size properties as well. So with that, let's go ahead and dive in.